Natural gas futures could not shake their losing ways on Thursday. Weak weather, strong production and another weak storage print sent prices lower for a third consecutive day. In addition to February 23 expiration next 2 days, what's also likely to aid volatility is the morning EIA weekly storage report. Today's EIA weekly storage report printed a draw of -91 billion cubic feet, bullish to survey averages of -82 billion cubic feet, and much smaller than the 5-year average draw of -186 billion cubic feet. The build decreased supplies from 2,820 to 2,729 and increased surpluses from +34 to +128 billion cubic feet. Next week's EIA report will again print a draw much smaller than the 5-year average to increase surpluses to near +170 billion cubic feet. The Federal Energy Regulatory Commission informed Freeport Thursday it would grant its request to begin cooling its Loop 1 LNG transfer system after a series of inspections in consultation with the Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration. The company may now begin the 11-day process. However, Andrew Coaut, director of LNG Facility Review and Inspection, wrote Freeport would need to submit daily reports and meet further review requirements before it has permission to restart the liquefaction trains and transfer LNG to one of its docks. Authorization will only be granted following the review of filed responses, a determination that the facilities are fit for service, and documentation that acceptable measures have been put into place to safely return the facilities to operation, Coaut wrote. In its request, Freeport asked that Federal Energy Regulatory Commission quickly give the go-ahead to complete the cooling process by early February. Because of the facility's design, Freeport has said a restart of the terminal's trains would be incremental and possibly take several weeks before reaching full capacity. The company previously reported work to repair and improve the facility was substantially completed in December. Weak fundamentals and a few bullish threats pushed prices to the downside and could keep pressure on futures, despite forecasts for widespread freezing next week. The natural gas market's ability to look past early February cold risks to returning warmer weather is driving gas futures another leg lower. Unlike the bloaterch mid-winter warmth in January, fading seasonal risks into late February may enable shorts to become still more aggressive. Analysts also noted that forecasts called for cold in the coming days, but the breadth and duration of the wintry event remain uncertain. Looking ahead, and considering overall storage levels, there will need to be some persistence in the upcoming cold shot for the market to change direction.